These lions live mainly in the lions on the streets and fear taking over. In India, scenes that look like something out of a wild documentary are happening in urban areas. Asiatic lions are invading villages, cities, and attacking domestic animals and even people. These felines live in the Kir forest, in the state of Gujarat, the last natural stronghold of the Asiatic lion. Due to the lack of prey and the many animals on the city streets, this has caused lions to search for food in urban areas, controlling the cow populations, since beef is not consumed in most of India. In recent years, something has changed. With deforestation, urbanization, and the lack of natural prey, lions have started to leave the forest in search of food. And where do they end up? In recent years, something has changed. With deforestation, urbanization, and the lack of natural prey, lions have started to leave the forest in search of food. And where do they end up? On the streets, backyards, roads, and even inside villages. They look for dogs, cows. Residents report the terror of hearing roars at night and finding claw marks in the morning. The increase in these encounters is putting communities on alert. While some try to protect themselves, others defend the animals, saying that it is humans who have invaded their space. You ever imagine coming back from work and coming face to face with a lion in the middle of the street? This scene that seems to have come straight out of a movie is becoming a reality in some regions of India. Yes, Asiatic lions are leaving the forests and invading cities. But why is this happening? What is pushing these big cats so close to humans? These lions live mainly in the Gir forest in the state of Gujarat, the only place in the world where this species still survives in the wild. With the growth of cities, roads and plantations, their natural habitat is increasingly reduced, with no space, no prey. And with human advancement, they come to us. Security cameras have already recorded lions walking the streets at night, crossing roads and even resting in backyards. I told. The residents that the fear is constant, but there is also a certain respect. In many local cultures, lions are seen as sacred. Authorities try to balance the protection of the animals with the safety of people. But is this enough? The presence of lions outside the forest is a clear sign. Nature is responding.